Jackson. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at her eyes. Yes. Off we go. And you didn't do any of it. Beautiful winter sunset. So, the sun has come out and it's January 1st, 2023. Happy New Year. I'm going for a walk into a second bit of hay / pasture land that is, well, kind of old. Kind of an old stand of a little bit of alfalfa, mostly grass. Had some crop on it 20 years ago. So we're planning on fencing it again and using it for sheep. Get some nutrients back in the soil and then maybe reseed with hay. It has a basin. So kind of a low spot in there where obviously water gathers. So a bit of wetlands. A lot of ducks on here. So yesterday, I saw 2 coyotes up here. And they were up there, standing up on that pile of rocks. Yeah, it's pretty big. And there's been deer up here, seen deer up here. Part of the big herd that we're hosting at the moment. The coyotes here, I guess we're kind of a predator-friendly control. And the dogs, knock on wood, haven't lost anything to coyotes here. And I think we have a pack of, yes, Henry, you're the good dog. You're the good dog. So are you, Jackson. Yes, you are. We're you guys. Oops, no. The dogs tell the coyotes, don't come any closer. We're here. And they go on patrol and they mark a boundary. And, yeah. You can sometimes see a coyote in the distance, but you only hear them now, which is amazing. And it's fantastic. It's so nice out. They're sitting outside. This is really good. January 6th. The clouds have dispersed in the fog and left a winter wonderland. Oh, wow. Okay, January 6th. We got some weighing of replacements and everything's buried in snow. So we're off to clear our crowding pen as much as we can now that we can see where the snow is and where the deep stuff is, etc. Off we go. And you can see now how deep it is. Gads. Are you gonna come back through or should I shut the fence now?
I think the ewes are gonna go out.
So, nice bright light. We can see where we're going and how deep the snow is. And this is what we want to clear yet again. You probably remember the last time. Oh, the snow's even higher. It's ongoing. There's a fair bit of snow in there. You got to do all that just to get a good bucket load. So it's just this here, and then after that, it's nice and soft and easy. So and after much work, hey Jackson, you didn't do any of it, and he didn't do it with the shovel either. We are clear. We are clear. Yes, ladies and gent. Look at you lot. Now that's, if you remember from our hauling video, hauling and shipping the truck video, if there was one that said no way, and that is him, isn't it? That's you, that is. And he's a bit of a boy. You're a bit of a boy. I am. Yes. So, and this is my gorgeous. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Yes. Look at your eyes. You're such a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Oh boy. What's that? Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Huh? Very nice. Very nice. And it's going to go up. It's about minus, I don't know, 14 today?
Here.
Oh.
Next year, indoor handling system.
Next year, indoor handling system. Yeah. Okay, so let's clear this out so we can get. Okay. It's interesting with this tractor, you gotta kind of maneuver carefully because you bend one way and it does something not quite what you expect. And you missed it again. Yes, I veto-liced this lot. These are the ones we're going to be weighing tomorrow and treating for lice because some of them, well, all of them get the treatment. Some of them look shaggier than others because they're biting their own wool, like eating their own wool, and that's a sign of external parasites. So we veto-lice them. It's easy. It's a pour on, and then they start feeling better. January 7th, Saturday. It's absolutely balmy outside, about -4. Sunny. Not very windy, if at all. And we're off to weigh replacements, EWE lambs, and see see how less pathetic the pathetics are. Hey, hey, Jackson. Hey, Jackson. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's okay. Good dogs. It is the afternoon. Sit down and ruminate. Excellent. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. Whoops. Okay, we're gonna load them. We can't use our normal gate. Hello, gorgeous. What you doing in here? What you doing? Good girl. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come along. Come along. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on there. Come on. This one's going to back out of here. Just push this lot down. Don't let her get out. Okay, there you go. Come on. Oh, don't smash her. Come on. There you go. Come on. Go there with your friends. Come on now. Come on. Come on, you big galoot. Get out of the way.
Was 31, is 52.
Holy cow, little man. Huh? You're feeling it.
I think there's only one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you can take in a bunch, you can. For like 50, 60
What about?
pounds.
Yeah. Come on, sweetheart. There's my big boy. Well, that's very... We've got that deep voice. Okay, I gotta keep this in. It's dark because it's almost 6 o'clock, but it's a lot lighter than it would have been. Anyway, day went really good. So all our ewe lambs replacements are gaining, 0.5 a day, 0.4, which is a good gain for ewe replacements. And all our pathetics, bar one, all gained 20 plus pounds over 7 weeks. So really pleased with that. Everything in the right direction. Really good. So beautiful winter sunset. And Roger out.